Your balance is declining, but it's not just aging. Your balance is declining, but it's not just aging. Have you ever felt a sudden wobble, a moment of uncertainty on your feet? And perhaps dismissed it as just a part of getting older? It's a common experience, a quiet whisper from our bodies that often goes unheard, until it becomes a louder, more insistent call. But what if this decline in balance isn't simply an inevitable consequence of passing years? What if there are hidden reasons, subtle shifts within us, that are gently, sometimes not so gently, nudging our stability off course? Today, we embark on a journey to uncover these often overlooked causes, exploring how seemingly minor factors can profoundly impact our equilibrium, and, consequently, our daily lives. We'll delve into the intricate workings of our inner ear, the surprising side effects of certain medications, the silent weakening of our muscles, the complexities of nerve damage, and even the often underestimated role of dehydration. This video is designed not just to inform but to empower. It seeks to illuminate the path back to confident movement, offering practical, easy-to-implement exercises and lifestyle adjustments you can embrace right from the comfort of your home. Our aim is to be a steady companion, a guiding light for our senior viewers, helping you rediscover the joy of robust movement and achieve a healthy balance. Not just in your steps, but in your entire well-being. Think of it as a friendly conversation, a warm embrace of understanding for the challenges you might be facing. We're here to gently remind you that aging doesn't have to mean losing your stride. Your balance, a precious gift that allows you to dance through life, to stand tall and greet each day with confidence, deserves your attention. And with the right insights and consistent care, it is absolutely possible to regain that lost steadiness, to move with renewed grace and certainty. Let's begin by understanding the delicate orchestra within our inner ear. It's a marvel of engineering, a tiny labyrinth filled with fluid and delicate, hair-like sensors that send crucial signals to our brain about our head's position and movement. As we age, these intricate components can undergo subtle changes. The fluid might become thicker, the sensory hairs less responsive, or the nerve signals slightly delayed. These seemingly minor alterations can disrupt the harmonious flow of information, leading to a feeling of dizziness or unsteadiness. It's like a finely tuned instrument going slightly out of sync. The music of our movement loses its rhythm. This isn't a failure, merely a natural evolution of a complex system. Understanding it is the first step towards finding ways to recalibrate. Next, let's turn our attention to something many of us rely on: daily medication. While essential for managing various health conditions, certain drugs can have unexpected side effects on our balance. Antihypertensives, which lower blood pressure, can sometimes cause sudden drops in pressure, leading to lightheadedness. Sedatives or tranquilizers, used for anxiety or sleep, can dull our reflexes and impair coordination. Even common over-the-counter medications, like some cold and allergy remedies, can contribute to drowsiness or dizziness. It's not about abandoning necessary treatments, but rather about a gentle conversation with your doctor. Perhaps a dosage adjustment, a different medication, or simply being aware of the potential side effects can make all the difference. Your healthcare provider is your ally in navigating this delicate balance between treatment and well-being. Now, let's talk about the silent culprit that often goes unnoticed until its effects become undeniable: muscle weakness. Our muscles, especially those in our legs and core, are the pillars of our stability. They provide the strength and control needed to maintain an upright posture, to react quickly to an unexpected bump, or to simply navigate uneven terrain. As we age, if we don't actively engage them, these muscles can gradually lose mass and strength, a process known as sarcopenia. This isn't a dramatic collapse, but rather a gentle erosion of power, leaving our frame less supported, more susceptible to wobbles. It's like the foundation of a house slowly weakening. The structure remains, but its steadfastness is compromised. The good news is that muscle strength is highly responsive to exercise, regardless of age. Even gentle, consistent movement can rebuild this vital support system. Then there's the less visible, yet profoundly impactful, issue of nerve damage or neuropathy. Our nerves are the intricate wiring system that carries messages between our brain and our body. They tell our feet where they are in space, how much pressure to apply, and whether the ground is firm or soft. Conditions like diabetes, certain autoimmune diseases, or even vitamin deficiencies can damage these delicate nerves, particularly in the feet and legs. When these messages are distorted or delayed, our brain receives incomplete information, making it harder to maintain balance. It's like trying to navigate a dark room with a flickering flashlight. The path is unclear, and missteps become more likely. If you suspect nerve issues might be at play, a conversation with your doctor is paramount. Early detection and management can often slow progression and mitigate symptoms. Finally, let's consider something as fundamental as water. Dehydration. It might seem too simple, too obvious. But inadequate fluid intake can subtly yet significantly impact our balance. When we're dehydrated, our blood volume decreases, leading to lower blood pressure and reduced blood flow to the brain. This can result in lightheadedness, dizziness, and a general feeling of weakness, all of which contribute to instability. It's a quiet thirst, often unnoticed, that can make our steps less sure. A consistent intake of water throughout the day is a small, yet powerful, act of self-care that can have widespread positive effects on our energy, clarity, and, yes, our balance. So, what can we do? The whispers of imbalance don't have to become shouts of concern. With understanding and gentle action, we can reclaim our equilibrium. Let's turn to some practical, home-friendly exercises that can make a profound difference. Drawing inspiration from the latest research on improving balance in seniors. The key is consistency and starting where you are comfortable, always prioritizing safety. Think of these as gentle acts of self-love, movements that restore confidence and grace. First, stair climbing. This might sound obvious, but it's remarkably effective. Researchers in Belgium have even found that stair climbing offers benefits comparable to using fitness machines in a gym. It strengthens your lower body muscles and inherently challenges your balance as you shift your weight. When climbing, keep your feet straight, and if your balance isn't perfect, step with your entire foot for stability. Keep your back straight, avoiding leaning forward. If you use a handrail, use it only for balance, not to pull yourself up. Make it a habit. Choose stairs over escalators or elevators whenever safely possible. It's a simple, everyday choice with powerful benefits. Next, try the single leg stand. This is a fundamental balance exercise. Stand near a sturdy chair or wall for support. Gently lift one foot off the ground, aiming to hold it for 10 seconds. Repeat 10 to 15 times, then switch legs. As your balance improves, you'll find yourself needing less and less support, eventually being able to do it hands-free. This exercise directly challenges and improves your proprioception, your body's sense of its position in space. Then there's the elegant tree pose, inspired by yoga. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, hands together at your chest. Gently lift one foot and place it on the inner thigh of your standing leg. Hold this pose for 10 to 20 seconds or longer, then switch sides. This pose not only strengthens your legs but also enhances your focus and mental stability, which are crucial for physical balance. For a slightly more dynamic challenge, consider the T-balance pose. Stand on one foot. Gently hinge forward at your hips, extending your other leg straight behind you, forming a T shape with your body. Extend your arms forward for counterbalance. Hold for as long as you can, then slowly return to standing and switch legs. This exercise builds core strength and improves dynamic balance. The high lunge pose is excellent for stretching and strengthening. Step forward with one leg, bending your knee into a lunge, keeping your back leg straight. Extend your arms overhead, stretching your spine. Hold for several slow breaths. This deep stretch enhances flexibility and strengthens leg muscles, crucial for stable movement. Don't forget calf raises, or standing on your toes while holding onto a chair or a wall for support. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lift your heels, rising onto the balls of your feet. Hold for 1 second, then lower. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This strengthens your calf muscles, which are vital for pushing off and maintaining stability. Beyond specific exercises, integrating practices like yoga, And stretching into your routine can significantly improve joint flexibility, muscle relaxation, and overall balance. And for those seeking a gentler approach, aquatic exercises offer a wonderful alternative. The buoyancy of water reduces stress on joints, making movement easier and safer while still providing resistance for strengthening and balance work. Remember, your body is an incredible instrument, capable of adapting and healing. Balance decline isn't a final verdict, it's a call to action. It's a gentle reminder that we have the power to influence our physical well-being. By understanding the underlying causes and embracing simple, consistent practices, you can dramatically improve your stability, reduce the risk of falls, and regain the confidence to move freely and joyously through life. This journey is about self-compassion, patience, and a steadfast belief in your body's capacity for renewal. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards a more stable, more vibrant you. Your balance is a precious aspect of your independence, your ability to engage with the world around you. Cherish it, nurture it, and watch as your steps become surer, your movements more fluid, and your life more richly experienced. You are not alone on this path, we are here to walk with you, offering encouragement and practical tools. Your story of renewed balance is waiting to be written, one steady step at a time. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and take good care of your health.